Hello, today I will guide you through the process of turning tamper protection on or off in Windows 11. Tamper protection is a built-in feature in Windows security that prevents unauthorized users or programs from turning it off or tampering with the settings. While it has good intentions, in some cases it might interfere with the projects or tasks you want to perform on your computer. Turning off tamper protection might be the solution you're looking for. Without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Open Windows Security and navigate to Virus and Threat Protection. Open the search menu and type Windows Security. Select the best match, Windows Security, and open it. Click on the Virus and Threat Protection button. Underneath Virus and Threat Protection settings, select Manage Settings. Step 2. Turn tamper protection on or off. Scroll down to find tamper protection. Toggle the switch to on or off depending on your preference. You may be prompted by user account control. Select yes if you have administrative permissions. That's pretty much all you have to do to turn tamper protection on or off. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it helped you out. I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.